Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening. How are you all? Very good.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Kavya, I have seen the questions. Just a minute, wait.
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm having my half year exams on 21st. So
Okay, we'll discuss. Just a minute. Be in line.
Sir, from October 1st exam starts, sir, and October 5th, I think, sir, max exam. October 5th, sir.
Yes, tell me, Kavya.
Good evening, sir.
Kavya, are you here?
yes, I'm here.
Yes, very good. Tell me. Tell me.
Yes, I sent those questions right. I'm having my exams from 21st half yearly. So
Okay. So you want me to clear that? Yes, 1 second, just a minute. Let me connect your writing pad.
yes, sir.
And children, tell me last class what we have done. What we have done in the last one.
So I think we have revised some chapter.
Sorry?
I think we have revised some chapter. Lines and angles. No, we have revised coordinate geometry.
Yes.
Sir, what?
Tell me, Harry.
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Yes, everyone should talk in the class.
Sir, what's the portion of weekly test, sir?
Or the portion of which test?
Weekly test, sir.
Weekly test. Tell me which chapter you want me to conduct?
Linear equations or coordinate geometry or triangles. Sir, I forgot to say, sir. I have exams from 28th, sir. I think maths exam is on first, sir. So I have the portion is actually linear equations in two variables, coordinate geometry, and triangles, sir.
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow we'll write.
Sir, for me, October 4th, sir. October 3rd, sir, sorry. October 3rd. No, 4th.
Okay. So this weekend we'll write a test on
Coordinate geometry, sir, please.
coordinate geometry, triangle.
Yes, sir, please.
Okay, coordinate
Yeah.
geometry, triangles.
Coordinate geometry and polynomial, sir. Is it okay?
Next week we'll go for this. Just few days back only you wrote polynomials, right?
So lines and angles.
Yeah,
Lines and
last week
angles
we
also like last week only we wrote.
triangle, sir. Yeah, sir.
Triangles we didn't have from many days. So
No,
let
sir.
us give a gap to those chapters. And yes, we'll consider your chapter as well, Lakshit. Not in this week, probably next week. Or else, if you want me to conduct three chapters at a time and I'll give 25 questions, then it is fine for you.
No, sir, two is
20
fine.
questions.
So over 30 questions and 3 chapters.
Yes, sir.
If you guys are okay, then it's fine. Then I'll
No,
increase the
sir.
time.
The 2 chapters will be better.
Why, Sujay? Why don't you want to practice at a time?
Sir, 3 is a bit more. 2 chapters related, it will be better.
No, actually, these are not new, no, these are not new chapters, right?
Yeah, so then it's fine.
See, what I'm trying to say here is if you write three chapters at a time, we can finish our syllabus fast and I can conduct whatever the chapter you people are asked. You understand? So if two chapters, if you just keep writing 2 chapters every time, yeah, I understand 3 chapters a bit lengthy for you all, but these are not new to you all. Already we have been writing on the same chapters and same chapter we are going through, isn't it? Yes. So then let's have three chapters per week. Three chapters in the sense like you'll be having 10 questions from each. So not more than that. Probably 10 questions like not exactly 10 questions from each chapter, but there will be somewhat split as well. Like from like one chapter you said 12 and from chapter 8 or like plus or minus. But almost like 8 and an average from each chapter you'll be having 8. Minimum 8, maximum it could be 12, whatever. Okay. All right.
Yes, sir. Sir, did you get any notice from board that we'll be getting the CBSE board paper for term 1?
That was actually a fake news circulated.
So like our school coordinator said that there'll be a board exams like on October, somewhere in October after the set.
Yes, yes, even our school also.
Yeah, look at this here.
So board released that it was fake news and they're not going to conduct board exams for us.
Even we got a news that just a minute. Even we got a news that for class 11th also there won't be a board exams. So
9th,
for-
11th.
yes, for 9th and 11th they'll release the board standard papers which is going to prepare by board, and then you have to write that paper. It is not
Yes,
going to
sir,
be considered as one, but just kind of not official one, but it's a kind of like final test for you all for getting into the next standard. Let's see, but let us let us be ready with our preparation. Let us be confident with our preparation. So it need not to let him keep whatever he want, but we have to be ready for that, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
We
Sir,
are like
and
soldiers. So whenever the war comes, like we have to be so be ready for that, isn't it? Yes or no?
yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So yes, tell me, you're asking something.
Sir, actually, I need the patterns, sir. I'm confused with the patterns, sir. Sometimes they are saying assertion reasoning, case study questions, and MCQs. So actually,
No, see, you actually need not to worry much about assertion and reason questions and case study questions.
yes, sir. Case study questions,
Basically,
sir.
assertion and reason is nothing but you will be having two statements, one assertion and one reason, and you will be having options like statement. Oh, you will be having one second. Assumption is correct, reason is correct, and assertion reason both correct, and assertion is a correct explanation of reason, and like that you will be having options, and reason is true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Only assertion is correct, only reason is correct, both are not correct. Yeah, this kind of options you'll be having. You have to
Yeah.
go through the concept carefully so that you will be able to understand. Guy, is there any change in my voice? Yes, I have somewhat throat pain, so I can't
Yeah.
talk properly. Yeah. Yes. So yes, can you all hear me properly?
Yes, sir. Yes, can hear you.
Yes, sir.
Very good, beta. Chalo, yes. So Kavya was asking the doubt, so let us go for the Kavya. So now let's see.
Yes, sir. Sir, and can you once concentrate on this assertion and reasoning questions, sir? I'm lagging in the assessment and reasoning questions, sir.
In maths, they will not ask RNA. In maths, they will not ask. Only science, social, only they will ask maximum.
Yes, okay.
Bhargav, I think Bhargav is texting. Bhargav, please, can you give me some more time? I'll text. I'll just.
Your voice is
correct.
very low.
Okay, sir.
Bhargav, please give me time because I don't have. I really don't have time to go through individually. Please, definitely will correct it. Not an issue, beta. Thank you.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Where is Kavya? Yes, Kavya. What is the question? If the bisector of the vertical angle.
So like your voice is in between going some. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yes,
in
sir.
between it is going some.
Sorry.
In between the voice is going some. It's becoming very low.
I didn't get you. Yes, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Kavya, can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
Can you please read the question once?
So give me a second.
Yes.
Yes, sir. In hospital, ages of 360 patient for getting medical
No,
treatment.
you tell me the what do you call that? That one triangle question first.
Okay. Yes, sir.
If
If the bisector of vertical angle of a triangle bisect the base, prove that the triangle is isosceles.
okay,
So bisector of vertical angle bisect the base.
bisects
The base.
the base. What do you have to do?
Prove that the triangle is isosceles.
Prove that triangle is. Basically, look at this here. देखो, the bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle. So basically, bisector of the vertical angle of a triangle. देखो एक triangle ले लो. Bisects the base. Bisecting the base is nothing but dividing exactly into. Look at it here. Bisecting the base is ऐसा. ठीक है? Okay.
Yes, sir.
You understand? So if the bisector of the vertical line, the bisector of the vertical angle. What do you mean by vertical angle here?
In the
These
top
are the
end.
vertical angles. These are vertical angles. These are my horizontal angles. Okay. So yeah, it is bisecting like that, and we have to vertical angle of a triangle bisects the base. Prove that the triangle is isosceles. Basically, how can we prove this? Let's give the names of this. Let's say this is A, B, and C, and at D it is bisecting. Okay, and like if you go somewhat here, and we have to go what isosceles. Nothing but two sides should be same. Bisecting means nothing but ये दोनों same ही होगा. Whereas these two will be equal. ठीक है, bisecting means the base BD is equal DC here. It divides exactly from the middle. ठीक है, हाँ. Here AD is what here? AD is bisector of what? AD is bisector of what? Angle A. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
And this is a bisector and which is dividing the base. where BD is equal DC. ठीक है? So here BD is equal to DC.
Angle BAD is equal to angle CAD.
हाँ.
And then AD is equal to
Here is
AD
now
common.
here whenever bisecting this AD here, this AD है ना, the AD बराबर ये है ना, this length and this length both these should be equal. This length, this one and this dotted line both should be equal. So let us say this is my E or anything you say. Now look at this. Here AD is extending till E. AD is extends till E, extending till E in a way that how here AD is equal to ED, but because the whatever we have AD length will be equal to BD length, ED length. Now look at this from the triangle. Take a triangle up. We have to prove what isosceles triangle here, right? So from the triangle you take A. I have two triangles here, ABD triangle and what triangle? You say this is a one more triangle here.
Sir, ADC.
ADC triangle. Now we have to prove that from this dotted triangle, can I take dotted triangle here? Triangle EDC. Okay, so here from these two, BD, ED, D is a common, right? So can I write? I have BD is equal to DC here.
Yes, sir.
I know one condition. तो condition के हिसाब से लिखिए इधर. Just a minute. One second, guys. It's not ready. Just a minute. Let me open it again. One second, guys. It is. I'm getting somewhat disturbance on this side. Same diagram. Look at this. I'm just copying here and pasting here, but look at this here. This is what I got. BD is equal to DC here. BD is equal to DC. Why? Because when I bisect from when I bisect, then these two lengths will be equal. I know that. And here from the figure, AD is equal to what? ED. Now here what can I write here? Guys, look at this here. This angle. बेटा देखो इधर ध्यान से सुनिए. What property I can use? This angle both will be equal, no?
Yes, sir.
Vertically opposite angles. तो देखो क्या
Yes, sir.
लिखेंगे हम लोग? Angle A D B equal to angle A D B equal to angle E or CD or EDC. Vertically opposite angles. ठीक है?
Sir, similar question wasn't an example as per as remember.
What example?
Sir, I don't remember the example number, but it was an RS book, sir.
Okay, fine, then not an issue, whatever. Now here both will be equal. Can we use some congruency property? What congruence property we can use here? Two sides. Why? Because he is asking us to prove. Look at this here. Isosceles triangle. Isosceles is nothing but what, beta? Two sides will be equal. So two sides and one angle is equal. So can I say SAS
Yes, sir. AD and D and DC and BD.
Sorry,
Like DC and BD and AD and DE.
DC.
Sir, we are taking ABC, right? Triangle ABC and triangle ACE, right?
Triangle A, D, B, and D, E, C. Dotted triangle, and the left side triangle. Left side triangle.
Okay, sir.
This triangle and this triangle. By using SAS congruence, can I say here? क्या लिखेंगे? Which side? देखो बेटा, दोनों सिमिलर ट्रायंगल है. Why? Because I'm just taking this angle and this angle. तो मुझे ये this one and this one should take. So इसमें क्या करेंगे? इधर देखो, इधर what is that? Here AB will be equal to AB is similar to what? Which side? EC. Yes or no? And angle A. Now side we have done. Which angle we are talking about? BAD. Which angle you talk about?
BDA and EDC.
BAD is equal to angle DAC. BAD and DEC.
Sir, why BAD, sir? Can we take
Look at
BDA and
this angle,
CD?
this angle, this angle, and this angle will be congruent to each other.
Why, sir? Like,
One second. This angle and this angle will be congruent to each other. Why? Because I'm talking about this triangle and this triangle, right? ये दोनों में क्या होगा फिर? देखो AD.
sir, how do we know that these two angles are equal?
AD will be AB will be equal to EC. So EC. Yes or no? Yes. What is the doubt?
Sir, how do we know that angle DEC is equal to angle BAD?
Angle
CED is equal to angle BAD.
DE.
CED is equal to BAD.
BED. Yeah.
CED, sir. CED.
CDE is equal by using SAS. देखो मैंने इधर हम मुझे पता चला whatever I extended here, whatever the bisecting AD part, that will be this part and this part will be equal, right? तो ये dotted line, ये dotted वाला तो similar होगा ना फिर. तो इधर extend कर देंगे तो ये तक तुम मुझे E and C join करना पड़ेगा ना. By using like isosceles triangle, मुझे दो triangle means दो triangle में दो, look at this here, एक triangle में दो sides equal show करना चाहिए. That is what isosceles, isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In an isosceles triangle, I must show that two sides should be equal. देखो now BAD, you can take other triangle as well. Not need not to worry about that. दूसरा भी ले सकते हो. देखो BAD and DEC. इधर BAD and DEC. Yes, angle A is equal to E. ये दोनों triangle के बारे में बात करेंगे तो हम लोग देखो wherever a crust.
My question is that there's a statement, right? Angle BAD is equal to angle DEC. How are they equal, sir? How do we know that they are equal?
What is the question? Where is the question? Question में कहाँ है?
So down you written, right? Angle BAD is equal to angle DEC.
हाँ, EDC.
So up
Here,
and down, sir.
ABD and DEC दोनों triangle ले रहा हूँ मैंने. Hello, Kavya.
Can you hear me? So can you hear me, sir?
I can hear you. Tell me, please.
So I'm saying that how do we know that angle BAD is equal to angle DEC?
That's what by using SAS. By using SAS, congruency, by using CPCT rule. समझ रहा है? देखो मैंने इधर लिखा हूँ by CPCT. You like by corresponding sides of the CE by using CPCT. ठीक है? Now देखो ये दोनों मेरे पास क्या है देखो. Here BAD is equal to DEC, right? Now can I say this one in this triangle, this triangle. From this triangle देखो मैंने क्या लिख सकता हूँ? Angle A, which DAC is equal to DEC. Why? Because in this triangle, if I'm just comparing this triangle with the downside triangle, so angle A is equal to angle C, however, so angle A is equal to angle E, so it can be DAC as well as DEC. Your doubt is clear, I think. Kavya, I think your doubt is clear. Why? Because from the triangle DAC is equal to angle DEC. देखो ये DAC, this triangle will be equal to this triangle as well. This triangle equal to this triangle as well. आ रहा है समझ? So that is the reason why we are writing this one. So DAC is equal to DEC. And also know that, and also from the figure, and DAC is equal क्या था? What is that? DAC is equal DEC. Yes. ठीक है, देखो हम if I talk about this triangle, what do you get? Look at this. A, E, C, C, A, E. देखो, can I write this one here? Angle E and equal to angle A here. E and equal to angle A. देखो कैसा? From AEC. तो इसमें एंगल AEC इक्वल टू, देखो एंगल AEC इज इक्वल एंगल C. देखो एक मिनट, मुझे लेट मी जस्ट पोस्ट दिस डायग्राम डाउन. Look at this Kavya now. Yes, now AEC is equal to CAE. तो इधर से मुझे हम कैन आई राइट AC is equal to CE. मुझे how am I writing this one? AC sides opposite to equal angles. देखो बेटा, इधर मेरा प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? एंगल A and E both are equal. These two angles are equal. Sides opposite to equal angles. देखो what is the sides opposite? What are अरे क्या होगा? हुआ क्या भाई? एक मिनट, 1 second children. Just a minute, it got erased. Don't know why. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
I think something happened.
You can press Control Z.
1 second, is a diagram. The diagram. एक मिनट. Diagram got this. ठीक है. So this was the diagram. If you just observe this diagram carefully, here angle from the triangle ACE, from the triangle ACE, इसमें angle A is equal to angle E. Angle A is equal to, my pen is also not writing correctly. 1 second. Angle A is equal to angle C. Since angle A is equal to E here, opposite angle देखो ये वाला and ये वाला दोनों बराबर होगा. दोनों बराबर होगा, yes or no? AC is equal to EC. Why? Because sides opposite. Sides opposite to equal angles are always equal. We know that. So AC is equal to CE. I can write. What is the reason? Equal angles. Here, however, we know that here now what we proved here, AB is equal to AC. देखो what was the here AB?
Yes, understood.
Where is that? हाँ इधर देखो AC is equal CE है, AC is equal CE, AC is equal CE. Now I know that here EC is equal to what? EC is equal क्या बराबर है? EC क्या इसके बराबर है? EC is equal to what? AB, right? Now can I say here in place of this here AC is equal to EC. EC is nothing but what? AB only, right? देखो इधर देखो EC किसके बराबर है? Equation number 1. Equation number 1 from the equation number 1 I got this. ठीक है? Here AB is equal by SAS rule. AB is equal to EC, right? AB is equal to EC. तो उसके
Yes, sir.
हिसाब से इधर EC और CE can be written as what? AB. तो मुझे दोनों के हिसाब से क्या करना है? क्या फाइनल कंक्लूजन देना है? AC is equal to AB is nothing but ये दोनों इक्वल है. तो ये दोनों इक्वल होगा तो आइसोसेलेस ही होगा ना? ये दोनों इक्वल
Yes,
है.
sir, their angles also will be equal.
एग्जैक्टली आया समझ. सो इसमें थोड़ा बड़ा कहानी भी है. बड़ा देखो इसमें कितना कहानी है. पहले एस करना है, उसके बाद दोनों साइड्स अपोजिट इक्वल साइड बराबर करना है. उसके बाद हम लोग AC इज इक्वल AB के बराबर करेंगे. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? प्रूव करते हैं कि ट्राइंगल ए आइसोसेलेस है. ये ट्राइंगल आइसोसेलेस ट्राइंगल है. ठीक है. शैल वी मूव फॉरवर्ड फॉर द नेक्स्ट वन?
Yes, sir.
I don't worry, like you will be having like MCQ test, I think so. This type of question you will be asking in subjective test, not in objective test.
Sir, your voice is too low, sir.
This type of question will be asked in your subjective, not objective. Clear? Now can
Yes, sir.
you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Next,
sir.
what is the next one?
Sir, so shall I tell you the data?
For the next one?
Yes, sir.
Ah,
In hospital, the ages of 360 patients for getting medical treatment on day are as under: age 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, and 60 to 70.
okay.
And then the number of patients are 90, 50, 60, 80, and 50 and 30.
Sorry?
So like there's a table, sir. Do you want
Okay.
me to tell the table out?
Yeah.
So ages are
Okay, the ages of how many patients?
360 patients, sir.
Hmm.
Are in intervals like 10 to 20, the frequency is 90, 20 to 30, the frequency is 50, 30 to 40 is 60, 40 to 50 is 80, 50 to 60 is 50, and 60 to 70 is 30.
What we have to find out? What is the ultimate aim?
Mean of the distribution table.
The mean find out करना है. Can you tell me the data here first? किस का number of patients दिया है? Number of patients कितना? 340.
Total number of patients is 360, sir. Sir, 360.
360 number of patients. ठीक है.
Then
Table
that-
between what? Number ages?
and number of patients.
Number of patients. Very guys, everyone look at this. So what is the age
ages,
here?
Sir, we have to just
20.
take the mean of ages, right?
Sorry,
10 to 20, 20 to 30,
group data. So 32
30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70.
till what? 70?
Yes, sir.
60 to 70. ठीक है. So this is what he has given. What is the number of patients? 10 to 20, how much?
90, 50, 60, 80,
50, 60, 80,
50, 30.
50, 30. What do you have to find out?
Mean of the distribution table.
So basically, look at this here first. Let me say that how can I consider this? Basically, how can I consider which is like we have to find out mean, right? Mean. Basically, if you just draw on the graph and mean is nothing but what? Number of observations, sum of all observations in a given data divided by total number of observations. isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, तो बेसिकली हमको देखो इधर क्या करता है, हम लोग पहले हम लोग को फ्रीक्वेंसी पता होना चाहिए, फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन। Yes or no? पहले फ्रीक्वेंसी पता होना चाहिए। ओनली द क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट फाइंडिंग मीन। हेलो,
Yes, sir.
ओनली द
So
मीन।
like we know the xi and fi. So we need to find fi and xi. How do we find fi and xi, sir? Fi and xi.
हाँ,
So what do we have to find out?
Mean.
Okay.
हाँ देखो, so this is the data given। तो आपको देखो पहले क्या
Where
करना
it's
है।
like
Huh?
we have to multiply all of them, right? And then add them up,
हाँ,
and then divide.
एग्जैक्टली।
Yes,
हाँ,
sir, but they are in class intervals, right?
The sigma x1 f1, right? By sigma.
सिग्मा f1 x1 f sigma is equal to 1 to n xi fi divided by till n। पहला ये करना चाहिए, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू डू दिस वन, सिग्मा xi fi, ठीक है। तो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर मीन। उसके बाद वी हैव टू डिवाइड बाय नंबर, नंबर ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेशन कितना है, 1 2 3 4 5 6 by 6। तो पहले व्हाट इज फ्रीक्वेंसी हियर।
Then how do we find out fi xi, sir? When
हाँ,
the xi is in a
आई थिंक
class in
We have to we have to find the class size.
हाँ, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट क्लास। उसको xi मानते हैं, नंबर ऑफ पेशेंट्स को fi
I
मानते हैं।
mean,
हाँ देखो,
class mark. Class mark.
हाँ
So we have to find class mark instead of class size. I said class size here.
देखो लेस देन 20, पहले इसको देते हैं कितना, 10 से 20, राइट। सो लेस देन 20, बिटवीन 10 to 10 कितना पेशेंट्स है। तो हम लोग लेते हैं मैक्सिमम नंबर, ये 20 30 40 50 60। so less than 20, less than 30, less than 40, less than 50 60 70। so let us take these are our i's and frequency is what, 90 number of patients। so is there any question more than this or only this is the question?
only this is the question, sir.
Because in a hospital the ages of 360 patients are getting medical treatment in a day, in years। Guys, whenever you have like the group data, how can you take xi, fi? I can take no number of patients. Xi you can take 20, less than 20, less
Except
than.
the class mark, sir.
Cumulative frequency.
Because
cumulative.
cumulative frequency is nothing but 90 first 90, then 50, 140, then 60, 200। ये होता है, इसका लेने से
Yes,
मतलब
sir.
क्या है?
So then we can get the total thing, and then we can divide it by the number of like values, which is 6.
So you are say, yeah, if you say cumulative, this is fi, तो cumulative frequency करेंगे तो एक मिनट कहाँ जा रहा है।
So like for basically the total part for that mean, we need the mean age or we need the mean number of patients? Age, right?
So number of ages in years, number of ages in years, एक मिनट। तो 90, 140, 200, 280, 4 कितना, 430, 460। Yes or no?
So like, how did you get them? Can you explain that?
Cumulative frequency is nothing but, देखो इसको कैसा करना है, let me,
Yes, sir, I learned cumulative frequency.
देखो इसको कैसा करना है, पहले 90 को 90 लिखना है, तो 90 plus 50 ये
Okay.
कितना,
140.
140
140
plus
plus
60 कितना, 200,
So it will be 200,
200
Yes,
plus 80,
280,
280।
280,
Yes, I got it.
330,
तो आपके पास यही
330
डेटा है,
and,
तो ओनली क्यूमुलेटिव
330 and
360. Sir, but the total number of patients were already given, right? 360.
330.
Yes, sir. Why did we? Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. We could directly
No.
just take it there.
So directly total number of patients were given, right? 360.
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
360. So he's asking for mean. Mean is what number of total number of observations divided by, so sum of all observations divided by total. Total number we have 6 here, and if he just add this, yes, if he add like individual observations, what is my individual observation? What is my
Sir,
individual observation?
one such question was there in the text, sir.
Actually, can you please like send a full question?
Sir, this is only the full question, sir.
एक मिनट कहाँ है इधर कहाँ? Someone who has text with. Sorry, you are saying something, Piyush?
No, sir. Tommy,
No, sir.
full question.
Sorry.
Sir, in the
So you have stop there, share.
textbook, there's an example. Say presentation.
Hello, guys, can you hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now it's
sir.
clear.
Sir, your screen is not visible.
Yes, sir.
Stop there, share, sir.
Screen is not here.
No, sir.
Sir, the presentation stopped. I mean the screen share.
Can you see the screen, guys? Anyone?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
sir, we can take.
हाँ, देखो भाई हमारे पास ये क्या है, देख डेटा इस ये है, ठीक है। तो हम लोग ये ग्राफ निकालते, ग्राफ के हिस्टोग्राम देख, कोई ग्राफ निकालते, ग्राफ पे देखेंगे 10 to 20। तो क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी से ही निकालते, क्युमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी से निकालेंगे तो
Sir, cumulative frequency,
Just
like,
a minute.
why do we need it?
1 second, just a minute. इधर क्या है ग्राफ? 10 to 20, 10 to 20, and इधर देखो 20 to 30.
So you don't need to write like that. You can write 10, 20, 30 like that. You want.
Yes, sir. We have to write it like that, sir.
Wait. 10, 30 to 40, 40 to 50.
Sir, we should not write it like that, sir.
60
Like
to
it should be
70.
connected.
Look at this here. You are saying that 10, 20, 10, 10 units you are asking me to write. Now I'm just straight away writing 10 to 20 कितना patient है. I'm just plotting somewhere.
No, sir, it's
Yes,
not
sir, but the thing
necessary
is
to
like,
write the second one.
So the thing is
Okay.
like this ending point of one is the starting point of the other. But if we take like that, then it does not make sense, right? Like the
One
distance is
It will be
different.
a
देखो
buzzer, sir.
इधर wait.
Yes,
Here
sir.
number of patient, how much here? I'm writing ages here on x-axis. You can write nothing. Look at this. 10 to 20.
Yes, sir. Like, sir, like what I mean to say is like 20 distance is varying there, right? Like in the first place, it is there nearby the origin. The second one is a bit farther.
Acha, you're
So
saying
we should
20.
take-
No. You're saying that 20 is starting from there. So yes, 20 is starting
It's
from
like
here. How
10,
can it
20,
be?
30, 40, 50, 60 like that, sir.
Take 1 second. If you
So it's like, yeah.
Yeah, 10, 20, 30,
10.
40.
20,
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
30, 40, 50, 60, 70, whatever. Till how many? Till 70 we have, right? देखो 10 से 20, 10 से 20
Yes,
you
sir.
can just plot in between. ऐसा भी कर सकते हो.
Sir, but that will be 15, right?
Yes, sir.
15। अरे यार थोड़ा इधर नीचे डालते हैं इसको। एक मिनट। हाँ, look at this here. Here you have a graph like 50, like 50 units, 100 and 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, 400। ठीक है, ऐसा ले लेंगे। हाँ, this is what you can just write. Look at this now. Now 10 to 20 कितना 90 दिया है इधर, तो 90 somewhere will be here. Yes or no? Somewhere will here. So I'm just, if I take this region यार, देखो हम लोग मैंने you are saying that 10 to 20 you can't take here, 10 to 20 you can't take here. Why? Because 20 to 30 if I take here, so it is 20 is varying here. But how can 22 times here? That is all your question, isn't it? So now instead of writing that, so if I write so 10 to 20, 10 to 20, if I write 10 to 20, 10 to 20 मेरा कितना पेशेंट है? 19. Ages between 10 to 20. How many patients? 90. So somewhere it will be here. 20 to 30.
Sir, you could take the scale as 30, right? Instead of 50.
If you take it, it will be a very big scale, man. That's why I
Sir,
took that.
we can directly like follow the example in the book.
Wait, just a minute. Let us go with this method and let's see whether we get or not. Then
Like the similar kind of question was
90, 50 है इधर, तो 50 20 to 30 कितना दिया है? हाँ, guys, look at this here. 20 to 30 is 50. Actually, you can't mark. Basically, if you take.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello. See here,
Yes,
if you
sir.
class boundaries, if I just take class boundaries, beta, class boundaries. What is the class boundary here? If I take class boundary, what is the class boundary? इसका तो 20, 30, 40, 50 ऐसा है ना क्लास, दैट इज वही होता है ना क्लास बाउंड्री। देखो 60, 70। हाँ, and look at this, convert whatever the whatever the you data have the patients, you just convert that into the cumulative frequency. इसको मानते हैं frequency. This is a frequency, isn't it? Now if I take cumulative frequency, if I take that, guys, is that my voice is breaking?
a
So,
bit, sir.
so once in a while, but not every
But
time.
it's
We
not
can
that
hear
clear.
Yes, sir, but it's breaking in between, so that's all.
Okay, no problem. So look at this, 9. Now can you hear me? 90 मेरा पास 10 to 20 कितना था? Or else you just take simply my class intervals here itself. ऐसा लेते हैं. What is the class boundaries here? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. ये तो मुझे 10 somewhere. देखो मैंने 20 class boundaries. Let me take class boundaries. All class boundaries on x-axis and cumulative frequency on y-axis. देखो. So 10 to 20 कितना था? 10 to 20.
Sir, shouldn't you take the first one as 10, then 20?
ऐसा भी ले भाई पूछना. I'm just taking class boundaries on the
Okay,
x-axis.
okay, understood.
Class boundaries, I'm taking class boundaries on the x-axis. So 20, cumulative frequency is 90. For 20 to 30, what is the cumulative frequency? Somewhere 140.
Yes, sir. Now your voice is breaking.
Next, this is somewhere 200. देखो दिए तो 280 somewhere, 330 somewhere. So इसको ज्वाइन करो ऐसा. This is how the graph will be of the data. ठीक है, तो ये this is by cumulative frequency. ठीक है, cumulative frequency. हाँ, now what is asking for mean. तो mean कैसा find out करेंगे? तो let me take all class boundaries as xi and cumulative frequency as Fi. X is what? 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Next 90, 140. What was that? 200, 280, 330, 360. ठीक है. So now what do you get here? 180. How much? 420. 8,000. Can you hear my voice clearly? Hello?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
Ah,
Sir, why is the cumulative frequency so high?
sorry. Why cumulative frequency? Hello?
Sir,
Yes, yes, tell me why you are stopping.
why is it 1800, sir?
I multiplied Xi and Fi. Where is that? It's gone. Yeah. Basically, why do we use cumulative frequency? Tell me, cumulative frequency used for what? To determine the number of observations. To determine the number of observations, where exactly there is lying, or whether above or below, something like that. बेटा look at this. मेरे पास कुछ है देखो 90 to 100.
Okay, you're multiplying the cumulative frequency with the number of observations.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Basically, cumulative frequency, why do you use? To represent the group data on the graph. We use cumulative frequency for what? To represent the data on the graph paper. Or basically, cumulative frequency used for what? To determine the number of observations below or above of the particular value or data. देखो, so for finding mean, or else you can take this is this itself. Look at it here. For finding to represent the data on the graph, I just used cumulative frequency, or else you take class interval as 20 here, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This kind of question has been given in your textbook as well.
Yes, sir, that's what I'm saying. It was there in an example, also in the textbook exercise.
Is that the way, same way, they have solved, similarly which I'm solving?
Sir, I don't remember correctly, but it was similar for sure.
Yeah, not an issue. Look at this here. So either देखो
But there was no graph, sir.
Not an issue. I'm just आपको रेफरेंस cumulative frequency आपको समझ में आने के लिए मैंने ग्राफ बता रहा हूँ. There is need not cumulative frequency. Why do you use cumulative frequency? You ask, right? So this is what we use cumulative frequency for. Cumulative frequency is used for representing the data on a graph line or a number line. So why do we use cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency is to determine the number of observations that lie above or below of the particular data value. You understand? That is what the reason we use for. So देखो 200 into or else instead of saying that, you just this into this, you just this, and number of observations. If you do so, what do you get? 1800, 1500, so 2400. कितना? 4000, 3000.
So class will be till 625, right?
3000. So 21,000, 2100. Sorry. So
why did you add an extra zero?
where?
Okay, 90 into 20, 140 into 30.
1800. Yeah. So look at this here. Sum of all these divided by 6, number of observations. Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. So this is the way to solve mean. Mean का मतलब क्या होता है? Finding average. Yes or no? Mean का मतलब क्या होता है? Finding average. Yes or no? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Mean का मतलब क्या होता है? Finding average of the given data. इसका average find out करो. check कर लो. Any doubts? Shall we move forward?
No doubt, sir.
Yes, people were asking. Who was asking doubt again? Yes, Harini was. She posted some message. Oh, yeah, what is the message? Assertion and reason are like two statements which are to one check whether they are true or not. Yes. Practice it. Practice it. Okay. Which now next? What do you want, guys? What do you want? At last but not least, shall we have a quiz and wind up?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How many of you okay?
Sure, I'm okay with
I'm
it.
okay.
So like
I'm
raise your hands.
okay
Please
with
raise
it.
your hands. Everyone,
So did you share the link?
I'm sharing the link. So we'll write a quiz on what topic?
Sir, any topic you like.
Like few
So
of
lines and angles? Or this statistics?
Yes,
yeah.
anything.
So then you have triangles now.
No,
No,
actually,
on that day we have triangles. Can we have statistics?
yeah, sure. No, actually, we'll
Wait,
write a look at this.
Hmm.
We'll write a quiz on the topic whichever we are going to write for your next exam.
Okay, sir.
Choose any one
Sir-
topic among all the three topics.
Sir,
Why
can we
statistics,
leave?
sir?
Actually, I have another class, sir.
Yes. Tell me
Thank you.
which topic?
Statistics, sir.
Statistics. Okay.
So lines and
Sir,
angles.
on Sunday, which chapter we are having test?
You have triangles, lines and angles, and what topic I told one more? Triangles, lines and angles, linear equation in two variables. These topics are the common topics for people who are going to write the test from the school side.
Yeah, sir, I have all those three.
Good.
So have we done quadratic geometry?
Yes.
That
Sorry,
is from-
coordinate geometry also we forgot.
No, sir, quadratic geometry.
Quadratic geometry, what do you mean by quadratic?
I mean, sorry,
Quadratic,
sorry,
quadratic
coordinate.
equation होता है.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
देखो अरे यार ये तो मैथ्स क्विज कुछ भी आ गया मैथ्स क्विज. Guys, some random quiz came. Look, let us write some random quiz. Wait, not from the particular topic. इसमें सब होगा. Wait. I think guys we have done with the class. Hello.
We have started late.
Yeah, actually we are late actually. So let's write the quiz in the next class. Sorry, I think I didn't observe the time. So I have next class for your seniors now. So can I leave? I have another class. Yes, Taruni, please. Children will write the test in the next class. Sorry, no problem.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Not an issue. Tomorrow we'll write 2 quizzes if you want.
On Monday, sir.
Yeah.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Bye bye.
Okay, so bye.